We are looking forward to contributing to the spiritual useful values to everyone. Musicfriends Studio was established based on the idea of friends who have the same passion for music, film, and stage. Come to us, you will feel the friendliness, the confidence, and the enthusiasm of our sound and lighting engineers who are deeply in love with their career. Besides the professional young staff, Musicfriends Studio also has perfect sound and lighting systems that imported from famous brands such as the mixer, Equalizer systems from Mackie and Behringer of the United States, the Virtualizer Pro systems from Federal Republic of Germany, the professional lighting systems with full equipment such as moving headlight, palette light, strobe light, skylight, crystal light, laser, follow, fog machine. So we can organize many professional music performances every day. Besides the professional sound and lighting services, we also have other services for the event field such as recording and making video clips and advertising, event equipment for lease, designing sound and lighting system for restaurants and discotheque, import and distribution of light and sound equipment. Besides the task of production and effective business operation, the board of directors and all staff also want to contribute our small part in national construction and national defense. As an operation unit in the media and export field, we have the advantage of promoting to international friends about the history of Hoàng Sa and Trường Sa Islands to make a small contribution on keeping our home islands. That's the reason why the name Hoàng Sa Viet Import and Export Trading Company was founded.